home? George back to bed?
I thought
No, you have to go to labor. Well, that's quite a stutter you've got there, Ken. It's all right. It doesn't bother me. So, George needs a weapons man, eh?
A cup of tea, Ken?
Yeah, he'd like one. Had a good friend in the CIA had a stutter. Cost him his life, yeah.
Hi, George.
Hey, puppy.
Papi, kijk. Kijk.
No.
Baby.